Remington Park horse players, be sure to use your Club Remington Players card with every bet you make. After you deposit your money and/or mutual voucher, insert your card and quickly swipe it out just as if you were at an ATM. Then wait for your player's card number to display on the screen. After that, simply complete the wagering process as you normally would. You can also use your player's card with a mutual teller by swiping it before you make your wager. If properly swiped, your ticket will have your player's card number printed on it. The best way to enhance your wagering and winning experience is to use your Club Remington Players card with every bet you make.